All right. Hi, everyone. It's a Friday. We made it. Woohoo! Okay, so we're back to the basics today. We're going to continue our education about deep blue and breathe. And I don't have a whole lot of fun facts about deep blue because it's a blend. But I did find something that I thought was interesting and I'd like to share with you guys. When I was researching doterra.com, like all their blogs and their science blogs, I did come across one little article about deep blue and how they applied it to some people, and then they extracted cells after they applied it, and then they were able to burst them open, and they could see how the oil was affecting the cell in a positive way. So I thought that was kind of cool that they have the technology to do that. Yeah. So that's all I could find. So that's a fun fact, right?
Absolutely. That's very cool.
Yeah.
They're doing so many new things all the time and showing how the oils are actually helping. And so I think that's really, really awesome. That's a great fun fact, Nicole.
Yeah. All right. So what fun facts do you have about breathe?
So for breathe, I kind of went through breathe uses the leaves of the laurel plant, the eucalyptus plant, melaleuca, Ravensara, and Ravensara, the peppermint plant, lemon peel, and cardamom seeds. It's got that minty, fresh floral scent, and for clear breathing support. Forgive me, I wrote down notes here because I wanted to make sure I don't forget anything here, but they have the breathe oil, the breathe touch, the breathe drops, and the vapor stick. And you can diffuse it, or like you see, just that drop in the palm. It's up, back of your neck, like that. What I didn't know, this is my fun fact, which is kind of sideways, is if you're using your breathe, add a drop of lemon oil internally, whether it's in your water or a drop or whatever, and that actually helps boost against the seasonal threats. So lemon will help boost your breathe. So that's my fun fact for
today. That's a cool fun fact. I didn't even know that.
I didn't either. We're learning things every day.
We do. I love doing these because we always find something out new. That's awesome. All right. I guess that's it, everybody. That's our short and sweet. So enjoy the rest of your day and have a fantastic weekend. And we'll see you next week with 2 more blends from doTERRA on our Back to Basics. Take care, everybody.
Bye, everybody.